What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to do a quick market update and I'm going to explain how to stay safe trading and investing in cryptocurrency market, and most important thing is how to not get wrecked, how to avoid getting wrecked. So few easy steps to follow, simple rules, and let's dive straight into it. So first of all, I'm going to start off with Bitcoin and I'm going to explain how perfectly Bitcoin is respecting technical analysis. So this is a lesson for all of you guys right here. You know, I am a big bull, okay? When I see something weak, I put my ego, aside, and I actually trade the charts. Okay, I look at the charts and I trade the charts. I say, okay, we are bearish. So what happened yesterday exactly? So yesterday I discussed here with my with the team in Discord, and I highlighted why this yearly open is a very important level, and I highlighted the level exactly right here at $28,923. So then I gave an example, and I asked if these two ranges of these two patterns are similar. Obviously, in my opinion, these are similar patterns. Okay, we have a range, a very fast drop down, and then a big bounce. And this is actually the same, a range, very fast move down into the yearly open, which could be followed by a very rapid bounce. Now obviously we have the yearly open, only one level. I'm looking to trade that. I'm looking for the long. Guess what happened? Obviously, ladies and gentlemen, we saw the drop exactly into the yearly open. I mean, this is absolutely perfect, and right now we are pumping. Okay, right now we are going up. What happened here is pretty easy. Stay out of longs until we get here and we trigger our long positions. It's very easy, and we see the bounce. On the other hand, I explained why I will ladder into an XRP long position. Let's go to the alt section, and here I said at 0.5588 XRP into the target, got some orders filled, and I explained why I think laddering between 0.57 and 0.54, I got some bids on XRP. Obviously I was looking for the setup to unfold, and I was waiting for price to come to me. Let me show you how I came up with this random target. So it's not really a random target, it's a pretty easy one. I took the Fibonacci tool from the start of this impulse all the way back up to the end of it, and what happened, I got this target right here. I got this region. Obviously we did see a little bit, the drop a little bit lower, but we are back up above it, and I think this might be a local bottom, which might be followed by a push up to 0.7 or even 0.8 for a very nice profit to be made out of this long. BTC long already, a profitable long. Obviously after the entry I would take some profits as we are getting back into this range high right here, a resistance zone obviously, so it would be very smart to take some profits out, and yeah, I would place my stop loss above entry and let it ride, but it's very important to take some profits out. This is what I would do, obviously. Is this the bottom? Now this is the question that I might be getting. Is this the bottom? For me, the yearly open is a very critical level that I am looking for. Um, this might be the bottom. Okay, obviously this might be the bottom, but we have to understand that we got a very bearish impulse move down right now. So obviously we might get a big bounce. Okay, after this impulse move down, 5 waves down. Obviously we know that after 5 impulsive waves down, we are waiting for at least an ABC. Okay, something like this, an ABC back up to $49,000. That would be great, right? But if this is an ABC, then this is only, the start of the correction, and obviously the bounce should be sold, and should exit crypto. But this time might be different. I will actually look at multiple scenarios, but for me right now this looks like 5 waves down. I hope this is not actually, the top is not in. I don't think the top is in, but yeah, we have to be open-minded and ready for all scenarios. But from here, I think no more big downside, and $49,000 should be a very easy target, especially after we look at how important this region is. If I align, some levels right here, a Fibonacci and few levels, what we got here is a weekly level on top of the golden pocket, and followed by this bounce, which is a support getting broken and could be tested as a resistance, obviously, and from there we could see continuation to the downside. But Bitcoin is looking pretty solid in my opinion right now for a very nice bounce higher. So yeah, in terms of not getting wrecked, let's explain exactly how to be in safe hands, let's say. So let's take an example, the Neo trade. Okay, why I had some take profits regions, why I did take profits at the highs, why I did that even though I was looking for $300. Why did I take profits when it was going up? Simply because I was, I knew that at some point the rally might stop and we might get a very big sell-off, and at least I took some money out. Obviously with my entry right here, it is very, it's a very nice trade, to say so. So entering at $15, making 700%, 750% on this trade, I think this was a phenomenal trade. By the way, you can check it on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Obviously this is a very nice trade, but yeah, we got a big sell-off. So the moral of the story, what I would like to say, first of all, buy low, sell high. Okay, don't buy something when it's going up. This is a big mistake. And number two, when your position is going really well, make sure to lock in some profits, because it's only unrealized gains until you sell and you get the money out, and that's actual profits. Until then, it's simply numbers on the screen. So don't forget, rule number 1, buy low. Rule number 2, you have to be selling when you are in good profits, and I don't mean sell it after a 10%, but we went well above 500%. We went to 600% plus, okay, 700% even. Would it be a good idea to take some money out, maybe half of it, and leave the rest running? Well, yeah, obviously that's a good idea, because when this drops like crazy, you would be in safe hands, and that's everything actually I had to say. So for me, it's pretty easy, okay, to keep in mind these simple rules. Just keep them in mind. There is no need to be greedy. Look, I didn't take, I didn't close everything. Okay, I still hold some altcoins. Obviously, I am I am losing my profits, but at least I took my capital and extra money out of the market. Okay, on the way up, I took the money, small profits at $80. You knew I had to take profit. At 130, you knew I had to take profit. You know, obviously it was, laddered taking profits. Didn't take half of it out, but 30%, 40% is out, and that's enough to cover my initial investment and profits over it. So that's everything I had to say, actually. I hope you're having an amazing day. Basically, the update on Bitcoin is the following: key level right here, the yearly open, something to reclaim. Okay, short-term levels to really worry about are the following, and it's a pretty easy level. We got 33,600, this right here, 0382 from the impulse down. This level right here, extremely important, and let's see if it has some confluence. And yes, what we got here is confluence with a golden pocket. So be sure this is resistance level, heavy resistance right here, 33,600. Also an SR flip level, so we got a bounce and a breakdown, failed to break higher, and now might be a retest before a small or a bigger retracement. So keep this level in mind. I wouldn't be entering longs here. Obviously, longs were down here, not here after the bounce. I might take a scalp short for a few $1,000s, and then yeah, see what we get from there. But for me right now, this is the level to flip, so I can safely say that the possibility of the bottom being in are high. So flip this level, and we should be going higher. So thank you for watching once again. Don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, have a good day, bye bye.